The columns in your building are the foundation of its structural integrity. Continual hits from forklifts can do damage, expensive damage, to these columns, and to the forklifts and the drivers. When it comes to safeguarding these columns, Column Sentry is the original and best way to protect your columns from damage by forklift collisions. The proof is in the testing. In fact, testing was conducted to determine the pressure it would take to push the outside shell of the column protector to meet the inner wall where it protects the column. Column Sentry outperformed other column protectors by 83%. It's the combination of Column Sentry's features and benefits that set it apart from other column protectors. Let's take a look at the difference. Column Sentry is the only column protector to feature a patented air chamber system. 24 angled pockets strategically placed around the circumference deflect impact energy away from the column and minimize the force of tow motor impact. Interior vents redirect the energy from the impact and force the air out at a controlled rate. Without the vent system, air pressure builds up and could blow out the column protector. Think about it. The only thing that stands between the column and collision damage is the wall of the protector. The thicker the wall, the better the protection. And the thicker the wall, the more the column protector weighs. The walls of the Column Sentry are a 1/4 inch thick, adding additional weight and additional protection, something many competitor products simply don't have. Notice the round shape of the Column Sentry. The round shape design maximizes flexibility, allowing it to handle more pressure. The round shape also eliminates corner weakness and stiff spots that can lead to cracks and buckling under pressure. The material used to produce Column Sentry is a durable and flexible plastic, like that used in making kayaks. After it does its job, it returns to its original shape. Installation is fast and simple, and no tools are needed. Just position the two halves around the column and fasten with the hook and loop straps. You can get Column Sentry in a number of sizes and configurations to fit just about any application. Plus, Column Sentry is stackable for protection at greater heights. Highest quality, unmatched performance, outstanding value. That's Column Sentry.